Hi, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, and today we're going to talk about how to help heal a sick orange tree. So here in Southern California, there's lots of trees that struggle because of really poor soil. So as you can see from this tree, it has some chlorotic leaves, not a lot of leaf production, not a lot of fruit production. And what causes this is that we have really alkaline soil, and that raises the pH, and it makes it really hard for the roots of the orange tree to uptake nutrients. And so rather than just trying to jam more food into it, you really have to fix the soil. And so we're going to talk about how to fix the soil of citrus trees, other types of fruit trees, with a product called Grow Power Citrus. Now, I've talked in an earlier video about how to use Grow Power. This is a special product that is designed for citrus trees. And one of the nice things about this is that it has that soluble potash, has that nice urea, has a really important ingredient called humic acid. And humic acid lowers the pH soil, makes it so that the food can get translated into the roots easier. It basically is like trying to eat something with someone standing on your stomach. This helps take the weight off of your stomach so that you can eat better. And it's very similar to the regular Grow Power. You want to use about 2 cups for a tree of this size. Now, I used to use a nice measuring cup for that kind of thing, but my wife caught me and she won't let me use that nice kitchen measuring cup anymore, so I just use a little Tupperware thing. It's still about 2 size, and a bucket like this is good for about a dozen trees. So all you do is just kind of get the scooper, scoop it in, and you just kind of shake it around the root system. And again, about 2 cups, about every 3 to 4 months, will really help the tree become healthier. And about 3 weeks after you do this, that's when you want to go get your citrus food, your Kalal food, your Job's tree steaks, and that way the tree can then absorb that food and start living a healthier life. Well, that's all the time for now. I'm Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Thanks so much for watching. That's all the time we have for today. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks so much for watching, and make sure you smash that like button and hit subscribe. Till next time, have a great time in your garden. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks again for watching.